How do you right a wrong? When somebody causes you harm, how do you right that wrong? You want to know why this is important as you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for your own particular matter? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law in the state of New York. So the question is, how do you right a wrong? You suffered significant injury and harm as a result of somebody else's carelessness. Well, guess what? We don't live in biblical times. We don't live by the rule of an eye for an eye. Somebody causes you injury, now you have the opportunity to do the same thing to them. So instead, what can you do to right a wrong? You now have horrible injuries. The only thing that our system of justice allows today is the opportunity to try and get compensated, to get you money as a result of all the harms, the losses, the pain, the suffering that you endured because of someone else's carelessness. That is the only thing that the law allows us to do. We can't become a vigilante and go over there and beat the hell out of them as much as you'd want to. The law doesn't allow that. You'd go to jail for that. And you don't want to spend years in jail getting out your anger and frustration. Instead, you have to figure out other ways to release that stress and frustration. And the reality is, the only thing that our system of justice allows is the opportunity for you to bring a lawsuit in order to show to a jury that you are more likely right than wrong, that the other person who caused you harm was careless and is now legally responsible to compensate you, to pay you for all the harms and the injuries that you suffered that formed the ripple effect. What was the sequence of events that led you to have all these horrible injuries? Well, maybe in a car accident case, the other driver started texting and now his car drifted, crossed over the double yellow line, hit your car head on, causing you significant injuries, causing you the need for surgery, emergency surgery, where you're in the intensive care unit for weeks, and now you're trying to recuperate, and you're in physical rehab and medicine for the next 2 months, trying to learn how to walk again. And I'll tell you right now, the money is not going to make you the same person you were before the incident happened. But the money will pay for your medical bills. The money will get you the best medical care. The money will make things a bit easier for you and your family, because now you are disabled. Now you're unable to do those things you used to be able to do before. And the law provides that if someone is legally responsible for your injuries, then they become legally obligated to compensate you for all the harms, all the damages, all the losses that you incurred, all because they were careless. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what goes on in these civil lawsuits here in New York. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need answers first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.